Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most secure and technologically advanced vehicles ever built, the 2025 Cadillac One, known as the Beast. This armored limousine is more than just a car. It's a rolling fortress designed to transport the President of the United States safely and in style. In this video, we're focusing entirely on the exterior, breaking down every aspect of its design, history, and cutting-edge features, so stay tuned till the end. Exterior design and aesthetics. The 2025 Cadillac One maintains the imposing presence that has become a hallmark of presidential limousines. It carries forward Cadillac's signature design language with an even more aggressive and sophisticated look. The front fascia is dominated by a massive chrome grille that proudly displays the Cadillac emblem, flanked by sleek, high-tech LED headlights that ensure maximum visibility. The hood is sculpted with a bold and muscular profile, hinting at the immense power hidden beneath. The Beast's silhouette is long and stately, with a reinforced structure that adds to its indestructible nature. Despite its defensive capabilities, it still retains the elegance expected of a Cadillac. The windows are small, not just for aesthetic reasons but also for security. Made from multi-layered bulletproof glass capable of withstanding extreme attacks, the doors are exceptionally thick, nearly matching the weight of a Boeing 757 cabin door, giving the vehicle an armored tank-like feel. The rear of the Cadillac One follows a streamlined yet authoritative look. The taillights maintain Cadillac's signature vertical lighting design, providing a modern yet classic touch. Beneath the surface, the rear bumper is reinforced to withstand impacts and contains hidden emergency response equipment. The overall stance of the Beast is wide and stable, ensuring maximum grip and balance, regardless of the terrain it encounters. Performance and engineering. While it might look like a luxury limousine, the 2025 Cadillac One is built more like a military-grade machine. Underneath its refined exterior lies a heavily reinforced chassis designed to withstand explosions and high-impact collisions. The suspension system is custom-built to support the extreme weight of the vehicle, ensuring smooth handling despite its bulk. The tires are one of the most critical components of this presidential vehicle. They are Kevlar reinforced, puncture-resistant, and can continue functioning even if completely deflated. Additionally, the wheels have steel inserts that allow the Beast to keep moving even if the tires are destroyed. This means that no matter the situation, the vehicle can always make an escape if necessary. Security features and special additions. The exterior of the Cadillac One is packed with defensive technologies that make it virtually impenetrable. The armor plating consists of a combination of steel, aluminum, titanium, and ceramic, creating a multi-layered shield against ballistic and explosive threats. The doors are so heavy that they require special hydraulic assistance to open and close, ensuring a perfect seal in case of a biological or chemical attack. Hidden within the front grille are advanced communication systems and cameras, allowing constant monitoring of the surroundings. The vehicle is equipped with night vision, infrared sensors, and even small-caliber weapons discreetly hidden within the bodywork. The trunk houses an oxygen supply and a fire suppression system in case of emergencies, reinforcing its role as a mobile safehouse. Another crucial aspect is its defensive countermeasures. The Cadillac One is designed to release a smoke screen, deploy tear gas, and even electrify the door handles to prevent unauthorized access. It also features an advanced GPS tracking system and satellite communication, ensuring the President stays connected at all times. Evolution of the Cadillac One. The 2025 model of the Beast continues a long tradition of heavily armored presidential limousines. The lineage traces back to the early 20th century, but the modern era of Cadillac One began with President Ronald Reagan's era. Since then, every version has been continuously refined, integrating the latest in automotive and security technology. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 version boasts a more streamlined and contemporary look, integrating modern design elements while keeping its tank-like resilience intact. The focus has been on enhancing durability, speed, and maneuverability while maintaining an elegant, executive appearance. The 2025 Cadillac One is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, security, and luxury, built to be the safest vehicle on the planet. It blends cutting-edge technology with the unmistakable presence of Cadillac. Let us know in the comments what you think about this rolling fortress. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Unity Car for more exclusive content on the world's most fascinating vehicles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Subscribe, comment and like. See you next time.